How to download and install Phantom Wallet app. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can download and install Phantom Wallet application on Android or iOS device. Well, basically the application itself is available on the Play Store if you are on Android device, and it is available on your App Store or Apple Store if you are using the iOS device. So you can simply head into your Play Store or App Store, and then you can search in for Phantom, right? And once you do so, you should be able to see the Phantom application. You can tap on it and you can go ahead and install it. So once you tap on download or install, it'll get automatically downloaded and installed on your device. So this is how you can download and install the Phantom Wallet application on your Android or iOS device. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues as well.